Hello everyone. Today me, Satvik Bhusnoor,
And me, Bhuvan.
are introducing to you the Smart Solar Extractor. The Smart Solar Extractor or SSC smartly combines an arrangement of solar panels, lenses and mirrors to harness the most from the ultimate source of energy, the sun. Working most times of the day, regardless of the season, uses the laws of optics to maximize the total output.
The structure is a truncated octahedron made of cardboard with hexagonal faces. The cups are covered with regular aluminum foil paper instead of mirrors, which makes the structure more cost effective and also acts as a heat sink for solar panel. The solar panel sits on the base of cup and is covered by convex lens. The truncated octahedron provides an effective angle for solar panel and storage for cables and power junctions. The structure has two pairs of solar cells tilted at 60 and 35 degrees for optimum efficiency in summer and winter respectively. These angles maximize power absorption at different times of day and under various sunlight conditions.
A typical solar panel is made of two silicon layers, N-type and P-type. The former gains extra electrons and the latter with vacant space for the same when they are struck by photons, separating them from their atoms. Hence, opposite charges build up upon either side and electricity flows when exposed to light. The SSC wins here by shooting more photons into the solar panel, displacing more electrons and ultimately boosting the solar panel's output power. The reflective aluminum redirects any unabsorbed sunlight back into the solar panel. The Smart Solar Extractor upon testing gives about 25 volts at 1 pm, 23.8 volts at 4 pm, and although it's not much compared to the rated capacity of the 4 combined, which is 24 volts unaltered, we can see according to the graph that when a solar panel is kept flat, it reaches maximum efficiency at noon, which is also true for SSC, but the efficiency drops in the former as the day descends and begins, but the latter remains almost consistent.
As a conclusion, it is evident how the SSC operates and how it significantly increases the solar panel's output power. The solar industry may undergo a revolution if this is put into production. Having that said, we will now conclude our presentation. Thank you.
You.